Hello, welcome to Ev's Historical World, and today we're to see Caesar's Camp, which is a late Bronze Age hill fort which was later used in medieval times. Mountain bikers use this place. Some ponds here. Here, lots of heather, which means lots of gorse bushes. This is all marshy bogland. And all of those trees, it looks like a sunken forest. And loads of edible gorse flowers around. But me, Bramble, is going to get annoying and want, I suppose, sticks. Some ducks over there. Yes, in the gorse forest. Dad, it's like a whole network. Yes. Hello.
We're going that way, we're going this way. Come through. You do go that way, the way back, mate.
That is cool. Gorse Forest Network. I just so absolutely love having the fact that there's all these mounds in the ground. They're like, you can jump over and run over. No. We are currently on top of a hill fort. And over there is Farnham Airfield. And somewhere over there is London somewhere, but not there you can see it. But we are currently on the north side with a dome, but this side is very steep. Everything I can see around me is probably shorter.
So would this be one of your earthworks, you think? Because imagine the trees not being here, they wouldn't have been here.
Young like you would have been. You've seen it all.
Not on an old unit, you never know, do you?
No. Yeah, but they would chop down the trees anyway. Caesar's Camp. But if you want to see more videos with content like this, please subscribe and like the video.